Several AI skeleton videos like these have been getting hundreds of millions of views, and they are all created using AI. Most of them use a paid software like Higgsfield or Sora to make them. But I found a free way to do it so you don't have to spend a single penny. It's a super simple method, so make sure to watch till the end. If you are new, please follow my socials and like the video, and comment what you want to see next. We first need to make a prompt, and we use the custom GPT from ChatGPT. It's called Skeleton Shorts, and it should be the first one that pops up. This is where our custom skeleton prompt will be generated. So before doing this, we now have to come up with our own idea. For this, you actually need to use your own brain. I came up with this idea whilst I was taking a dump, so don't judge me too much. So this is my idea. What happens to your body when drinking diet soda? And just like this, our prompts have been generated. This the first step to getting our skeleton AI videos ready. We now open this tool called Google Studio, where you can generate multiple AI images at once for free. You get 50 credits daily, so this is plenty of images you can generate. Before we start, we need to make sure that we have a reference image. So I just pulled these from Google Images, or you can take screenshot from the videos you've seen on your For You page. After doing this, I just copy all the prompts and paste them into Google Studio and just wait for all my images to be generated. Google Studio is quite good, and the images are very accurate. I use this a lot because it is free and still an unknown tool to some people. After waiting a couple of minutes, you should get images that look similar to this. Go through each image to make sure they match the prompts generated. If everything looks good, then you can start by downloading them. But make sure you download them in order from the first image to the last in your video. In my case, it's images from left to right. It's time to turn our images into videos. And for this, we use the Grok Imagine tool. It is free, and their latest model is quite good at turning images into videos. I start by uploading only 3 images at a time, because the video is only 6 seconds for the free model. So make sure to remember that when you are generating your video. Upload your images like this, and write a simple prompt like this to get started, and press Generate. Wait a couple of seconds for the video to be generated. After getting our video, we just analyze it to make sure it is what we wanted, and generate the video for the next batches of images. If it's good, then press Download, and start by getting the next 3 images. Sometimes when you run out of credits or you can't generate any more images, don't panic, because I have the perfect solution for this. When you run out, just make a new account or use your other email so you get free credits again. I don't condone this. Do it at your own risk. After getting all our videos, we move on to the next step. We finally got everything we need, and we are going to get the voiceover now, using 11 Labs. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to write a voice script for this video. Copy the script and open 11 Labs. For your voice, make sure to pick one which matches your style and is unique. After generating our voiceover, we download it and move on to the next step. We now have all our clips and voices into CapCut. We edit them to make sure they line up. And your final result should look something like this.
You crack open a diet soda thinking, no sugar, no problem. The moment you take a sip, the intense, sweet taste hits your tongue, even though there's little or no sugar. Next, the fizzy drink reaches your stomach, where carbonation can leave you feeling bloated or make you burp. Meanwhile, that sweet taste sends signals to your brain, letting it know something sweet just arrived.
This is the end of the video. If you found it useful, please make sure to subscribe and comment below your thoughts or what you want to see next. Thank you, and see you next time.